Hi guys, hope you're all well. It's Amma back with another video. So I'm not sure if you've heard, but Spider-Mania has hit the UK. So that means that they are showing all the Spider-Man movies. They're showing all of Tobey Maguire's, Andrew Garfield's, and Tom Holland's, which is really cool because I never got to see the OG, the Spider-Man 1 or 2 in cinema. So today I'm going to go watch Spider-Man 2 in cinema, so that should be really good. Before I head out to the cinema to go and watch Spider-Man 2, I thought, why not do a hairstyle tutorial? And since we're on the subject of Spider-Man, I thought today we would review spiderwax. So spiderwax is by level 3. It shows to have a medium shine and a high hold level. So that's what we are going to review today. So I know this is the sensation on TikTok, guys. I see a lot of barbers using this product because it's got that wow factor. So that I've seen, I see barbers go absolutely crazy when they're rubbing it into their palms and they're creating webs. It looks really cool, so I don't blame them for doing that. And hopefully we can create some today and we can review the product at the same time. I'll give you a closer look. So as you can see, it's level 3. So we've got spider wax, medium shine, and high hold. So this one's supposed to have the highest hold. So we'll definitely review that today. Okay, guys. So I have had a haircut today. I've gone for a skin fade, but I've kept some length on the top just because I want to go for a texturized fringe. That's what I've been rocking these days. And if you look at my previous videos, I've got a tutorial on that and how you can create that texturized look. So we are going to test this product and we are going to test it on short, fine hair just to see if we can get some texture in there and also review the hold. So normally when I create a texturized fringe, I use a Aveda thickening tonic. I use sea salt spray. Today I'm not going to be using sea salt spray, it's just a Aveda thickening tonic, just because I want to see how the product does in terms of texture on its own, and that will help to create a better review. As because we're working with short hair, I would recommend either medium heat, fast speed, or low speed, low heat, just because we have less to work with and we don't want to fry the hair.
Needless to say, I keep her check. She was a bad, bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Needless to say, I'm keeping her check. She was a bad, bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Thinking in a bad way, losing your grip. Screaming at my
Okay guys, so I've just finished the hair drying application. I have built some volume and texture in my hair. That was because I was using my fingertips just to create that texture. So next we are going to apply the product and we'll see how it goes. So take a reasonable amount of product, rub it between the palms of your hand and then apply it. Okay, so we were just able to shoot some webs there, and this is what I meant about the whole wow factor. You're literally shooting webs from the palm of your hands, so that's why customers find this product so cool. I think I spend more time doing this than applying it onto my hair. It's just now a case of working the product through your hair, so just working through the roots and just trying to create that texturized look. A good tip, guys, if you're wanting to add more texture in your hair, is to use a fine tooth comb. You can use the ends of the comb just to create more texture in your hair. Okay, guys, so I've finished applying product to my hair. I've gone for a messy fringe look. It has worked really well. In terms of the hold, to be honest, for short hair, it's absolutely fine. I'd say if you had longer hair, if you went for a slick back or a comb over, I don't think the hold would be that strong. I think you might need some hairspray in there. What I will do, guys, is once my hair does grow out a bit longer for a comb over or even a slick back, I will do another tutorial just to see how it works. But right now, I do like it. It looks very nice. It's got a nice natural shine and it's got a good hold. It smells nice, and I don't have to use hairspray to keep it in place just because it's already short. I would give it an 8 out of 10. I'd say that it is a nice product. I think it's more of a wow factor kind of thing because it's trending on TikTok, because it's very sticky and it creates, spider webs. You can understand why customers would be so excited when they go into a barber's. I mean, I was, when my barber used it on me, I was like, wow, what's this? You can literally just, with the palm of your hands, create spider webs with this product. I would recommend it. Absolutely, guys. I would recommend this product. But I have to say, I think there are other products out there that can create a stronger hold in your hair. I think powders are something that can help you achieve that, and that's something that I'm a big fan of. I would use spider wax here and there just to create a wow factor, but I would stick to powders. Number one, I have fine hair and they work really well, but number two, powders are very good for texture and volume. So let me know what you think about the product, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, just so I can get more content out there for you. Until next time, take care.